In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive customer payments in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to mark a customer invoice as paid so your accounts stay accurate and your reports stay trustworthy. From your Xero dashboard, head to the sales area. This is your hub for everything related to money coming in from customers. Inside sales, open invoices to view the full list of bills you've issued. To narrow things down to the ones you still need to collect, switch to the awaiting payment view. This filter shows approved invoices that haven't been fully paid yet, so you're working only with items that need action rather than drafts or already settled invoices. Find and select the invoice your customer has just paid. Take a moment to confirm the customer name, due date, and outstanding amount, so you're updating the correct record. If you have a long list, use search or sorting by due date or amount to locate it quickly. With the invoice open, click Add Payment. A panel appears where you'll capture the key details. Start by setting the payment date. Use the date the funds actually reached your bank account. Accurate dating keeps your aging reports meaningful and ensures cash flow timelines reflect reality, which is especially helpful around month-end cutoffs. Next, choose the account. Select the bank account where the money was deposited. If you use bank feeds, pick the same account that will bring in the matching bank line. This alignment helps Xero suggest a perfect match during reconciliation, saving you time later. If the amount field is visible, it will default to the outstanding balance on the invoice. Leave it as is for a full payment or adjust it if this was a partial payment and the customer sent only part of what's due. In the reference field, add a clear note such as a transaction ID, check number, remittance reference, or simply the customer's note to payee. Consistent, descriptive references create a strong audit trail and make it much easier to search and reconcile in the future. When everything looks correct, click Record Payment. Xero will post the payment, update the invoice status to paid or part paid, and create the corresponding transaction in the bank account you selected. Give the invoice a quick once over to confirm the remaining balance is what you expect. That's the full workflow. Go to Sales, open Invoices, filter to Awaiting Payment, choose the invoice, add the payment with the correct date, account, and reference, and record it. Follow this process each time funds arrive, and your receivables and reporting will stay clean, current, and reliable.